Today, instead of building something, we're actually going to use something that I built. Boy, that almost didn't want to start. Call this project Gene, and Gene is a 1998 leather cab short box Chevy pickup with a 305 that I turbocharged. It has a T76 turbocharger on it, and I haven't really driven it all year. But today, we're gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up. I promised my little girl that we would take it into a drive-in tomorrow to have some pizza, so let's get to it. Excited. I think we should probably go wash Gene if we're gonna take it to the cruising tomorrow, don't you? Mm-hmm. So, I think since I'm not feeling 100% and my voice is a little bit iffy, I'm just gonna have Ellie do most of the talking. So usually we'd wash this thing by hand, but today we're just gonna run it to the car wash because that's all I got. You hopping in?
I'm hopping in.
All right.
That door is hard. We just got to the tour wash. It is right there. Now we'll get soap on, water on, and that stuff.
So we're taking Gene to the cruise-in pizza night. And Ellie's been wanting to take this truck to a car show for over a year. And why do you want to take this truck to the car show?
Because it's so clean and it barely has any scratches on. And we just want people seeing it and having fun and looking at it.
So you like it because it's clean and it doesn't have any scratches on it? That's the only reason why you like this truck? What's your favorite thing about it?
And it's because my dad put some stuff. What is it called?
What's it do?
It makes the truck go faster.
Oh, it makes the truck
So
fast.
I like it because it goes fast.
What type of sounds does it make? That's pretty close. That's pretty close.
Just got out of the tour wash. And we're right now out. My dad is driving right now. So, going fast right now on the super shiny. And so, yeah, it's super shiny.
On the other side?
So we'll show you what's side. The back is a little bit wet, but the other side is actually super clean. We'll be right back. We're going to get some gas station snacks.
Next day here, and I'm feeling much better. May not sound a whole lot better, but much better than what it was yesterday. After Ellie and I took this to the car wash, rinsed it off real quick, then I went ahead and wiped down the interior, and then I gave the engine bay a quick little detail. I'm pretty excited about this little cruise night into this pizza place with Ellie. And I think that if your kids are interested in anything that you are, it's definitely really important to act on that because you never know how long that's going to last. So after having that procedure yesterday, and I'm still not feeling 100% today, I'm going to go ahead and use my sick day a little bit to take my time and change some spark plugs in this thing. Now, Gene's little 305 that could with this T76 on it, I was still running the factory, what are they? R44s with a projected tip. And what I mean by a projected tip, that means that the electrode out here is just free out in the air. This is really a no-go with turbo applications because if you're to detonate or that were to crack, it's going to fall down into the cylinder. Not a good deal. Also, with how big that spark plug gap is, and that's just asking for spark blowout. So I'm going to go with a BR7 EF on this, and now you can see that the tip is not projected. And this is actually a colder plug. Getting the two side by side, you can see how much narrower the gap's going to be. No projected tip. And it's going to sit the same depth in the cylinder. Really, the fact that I was still running the factory plug in this temperature and projected tip was just asking for trouble. The fortunate thing is I just don't really beat on this truck much. So that's probably what saved me the longest. Truck's been all cleaned up. Got my jeans auto shirt on. Here comes my daughter. She's ready to go to the car show. You excited? Gotta get that seatbelt on, girl.
I know.
I put spark plugs in Gene, and I think I might have got a cracked one because he's got a little bit of a misfire. Can you feel it shaking?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to fix that. But I ran out of time, and we needed to make this cruise night anyway.
Can we stop at the fireworks?
You think we need fireworks?
Yeah. We barely have any.
Oh, I don't know if we need any of that.
We barely have any.
All right, you see all these cars?
Yes.
Where do you think we're gonna park at?
I don't know.
You just walk over and touch them all.
Dad, is it fun if I set it off?
Hung out at the cruise inn for about 2 hours, seen some good friends, got to check out some pretty cool cars. There was a 66 Chevelle there, which you'll probably see in Ellie's walkthrough video. Very unique, but made me a little more motivated to get my 66 done. On a side note, I am really bummed I put spark plugs in Gene here and picked up a misfire. All I can imagine is I got a bad plug and all of that, because as we were at the show, I checked all the wires and they were all on, and since I did one at a time, I couldn't have got them mixed up. So I guess we'll see if we can't chase down what cylinder it is and put all new plugs in it. I really enjoyed getting out one of the vehicles and cleaning it up, and the fact that my daughter really wanted to go do something with it was just awesome. We were handed a flyer for a cruise night in Marshalltown. That's every week, and I'm pretty excited to go and check that out. The guy handed my daughter the flyer and asked if she'd come, and she said absolutely. So it looks like we're going to be making Marshalltown here pretty soon, and maybe we'll take one of the other vehicles. What do you guys think? Thanks for coming along with Ellie and I to the cruise night. If you guys liked coming along to the cruise night and would like to see a few more of Cars and Coffees or a couple other cruises, let me know and I'll post some videos of those. Because I had so much fun, it makes this story a little less painful to tell you. So I came home, I put a spark plug in number 2 because that was the cylinder that was cold, fixed the miss. I shut it off, and the next day when a storm was coming, I wanted to put it in the shop. I jumped in it and went to turn it over, and I had nothing. The kicker of it is, it was turning over, and the starter just kind of stopped. So I really believe that the starter shorted out, because I've charged the battery, I've checked all the fuses, and I got nothing. So the bad news is, Gene's gonna need pushed inside and onto the hoist. Good news is, if you've been watching the channel, you know that if I have to fix anything, it's getting upgraded. So stay tuned, see what's next in Gene's story. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share to your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.